Hi, welcome to our pre-calculus topic. Today is proving trigonometric identities using sum and difference identities, problem type 3. So in this set of problems you see uh, two uh, trig functions being added or subtracted, and the ingredients themselves are sum of two angles. So we have to apply the sum and difference identities and then do some simplification to see what happens. So let me just show this thing on paper to you, and as I recommended multiple times, you are to do all of these things on paper first and then figure a way to enter it on the software here. So here we have sine of pi third plus x minus sine of pi third minus x, and we want to show that this is sine of x. So that is what we are after here, sine of x. So we expand sine of pi third cosine of x plus cosine of pi third sine of x. That is what this term is. Minus, let's put a big parenthesis so that we don't make a sign mistake, sine of pi third cosine of x minus cosine of pi third sine of x. So that is, this expression is the second item. Now when we simplify, notice that this term and this will cancel each other out. Let me rewrite it. Sine of pi third cosine of x cosine of pi third sine of x minus the first item becomes minus sine of pi third cosine of x, and minus with minus makes a plus cosine pi third sine x. So as a result, this term and that term cancel each other out. Now the other two are identical to cosine of pi third sine x. That's what's left now because these two are the same. Now cosine of pi third, we need evaluation. Cosine of pi third is 1/2 times sine of x. Do evaluation or algebra if this is final answer, which is what we wanted to show. So combination of these two gives us sine of x. Again, these are sort of problems that are very common in study of waves. We are going to see that a couple of years from now, 1 or 2 years from now, and similar expressions show up in calculus for a variety of reasons. So calculus, differential equation, application to physics and engineering, you'll see this type of identities quite often, but you have to wait for a while. So we are going to go and just do this. So we are going to write sine of, now we need pi third cosine of x plus cosine of, again, pi third sine of x. So type in it perhaps minus what I wrote there with parentheses, sine of pi third cosine of x minus cosine of, typing it is harder than the identity, pi third sine of x. So what rule did we apply? So for all that we have done is sum and difference. We applied sum and difference. Let's see if it's happy with what our action. Okay, next we can open our parentheses. So I'll have sine of pi third cosine of x plus cosine of pi third sine of x, then we open our parentheses, minus sine of pi third cosine of x plus cosine of pi third pi, and this was 3 sine of x. What did we do? We just did algebra. Now more algebra, which is these two cancel each other out and these two double up, so I'll get 2 cosine of pi third sine of x, and so more algebra. Now I do evaluation, which is twice times, that is 1/2 times sine of x. So I did now evaluation. Let's see, it's happy with me. Then sine of x, I did arithmetic really, but okay. Algebra, let's call it algebra. And then we are done. So problems here are of this type, and I'm sure you can do it. Try to do quite a few of these things so that you have all the cases covered. Okay, until next time, good luck and God bless.